Hi and welcome over to the Good Web Business Hosting. I'm GC, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to build a landing page. Now, a landing page is something that you would put on your website to attract customers to click on it for, say, help, or maybe you're offering a free trial or something like that you just want them to click on, put their email in, and then you would be able to send them the information. So in this example, I'm just going to click this template here. And as you can see with this template, if we was to add a landing page here, then there is quite a few distractions. So they could probably click on the About button, or they could scroll down the page. So what you need to do is just make an individual landing page. And to do that, all you would need to do is come over to Settings, and from Settings, add a new subpage, and then name your subpage. So if I just put here to help you, and then if you click on this button here and click on landing page and add, and then this will bring a page up where, as you can see, there's no distracting buttons like home and about. It is just totally a clear page, and you can write your information in here, have a button here, and then when they click that, they can add their email. So what I'm going to do is, instead of using this one here, if we click add content here, go to call to action, and then like I say, there's different buttons on here that you can use. So like you could load this and then add that sort of button. But what we need to do is have something where they can add their email address. So we'll click on this one. And this is really as a simple landing page. Again, no distractions. And what we can do now, we can get rid of this one here and this one. And there you go. That's just a real simple landing page. So they can read what you're trying to help them with. And then you can add other content here, which, as you know, I'm a great believer in using a notepad just to make things a lot quicker. If you looked at my other videos, I'll just copy this in here and paste. And then, like I say, if I just make that, say, a little bit darker. And again, as you know, in previous videos, you can change all your text to different colors, plenty of colors to actually select. So if we come out of that, so there you go, I've just added this in here. So basically I'm saying I'm here to help you, and you can take on the Good Web Business Hosting. You get a 30-day free trial. There's no obligation and there's no reason to try it today. So if you haven't got an account with us, then please come and give us a try. So from here, what we can do is, if we go up to the cog and click color, and let's say we change it to this color here and save, and there you go, that puts the color in the background. You can also put in an image if you wish. You can click that and then you can add an image, and then like I say, you can change other things down here as well. And let's say that now you need to add your email address in here. So what would happen is they would come to this page, they'd add their email to get started, and you can actually change this as well. So to change this, what you need to do is go to Settings and actually click on the subpage we've added, which is this one here. Click that, and then you can change that up there if you wish. And there's lots of other things you can do down here. And if you want to change your email, I just take you to Settings again, General Settings, and then when you have an account with us, your email will be in here already set up for you, and all you would do is save changes. So there you go. That's how to build a landing page on your website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.